Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert or add 3D objects into your presentations and slides on LibreOffice Impress in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to presentation, select your slide here on the left hand side and that's slide overview. And here at the top, guys, you will see next to the stars and banners menu, you will find the 3D objects menu. Click into it and choose one of these, for example, a cube or I don't know, a cone or a sphere. I will go with, let me go for cube. Position it on your slide by using your left mouse, drag it, and that's it. You will see the dimensions. Now, what you can do, guys, is, for example, click into one of these handles and then adjust the aspect ratio or resize it. And if you double click into these handles, they will switch to the colors, to that red here. And after that, if you hover your mouse over the given handle and move it up or down, you will be given the opportunity to change the angle, for example. For instance, if I do that for this one, I'll be able to move the 3D object to the left, tilt it to the left, sorry. And you can also rotate it by using these handles in the corners. And now it looks like a real 3D object. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.